USCIS big changes for green card holders. In June 2025, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services rolled out several significant changes affecting green card holders. This video focuses on application processing, renewal timelines, documentation requirements, and travel rules, marking a major shift in how lawful permanent residents must manage their immigration status. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. If you're a green card holder or know someone who is, you've probably heard about some big changes coming from USCIS in June 2025. These updates could affect your status, travel, and even your path to citizenship. What's changing in June 2025? 1. Overview of key USCIS changes. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, has rolled out several updates that took effect or were announced around June 2025. These changes touch on everything from registration requirements to travel scrutiny and green card renewals. Let's go through the big ones step by step. First, there's a new mandatory registration rule that started on April 11, 2025, but it's still making waves. If you're a green card holder, you might need to register with USCIS, especially if you're turning 14 or haven't been fingerprinted before. This comes from Executive Order 14159, signed by President Trump in January 2025, aimed at ensuring all non-citizens comply with the Immigration and Nationality Act. This rule requires creating a USCIS online account and submitting Form G 325R with your personal information. Parents or guardians must register kids under 14. 2. Now, here's the important part. Registration doesn't grant any new status or benefits, it's just for tracking purposes. If you're already in the USCIS system with a green card, you're likely registered. 2. Form updates and green card renewals. Starting May 29, 2025, USCIS requires everyone to use the latest version of Form I-90 to replace or renew their green card. If your card is lost, stolen, or expiring, make sure you're using the right form edition, or your application could be rejected. Also, green card validity for those applying for naturalization has been extended to 36 months. Great news if you're waiting on your citizenship application. The medical examination process. Starting February 10, 2025, green card applicants must submit Form I-693, the medical exam report, with their application. Good news, though COVID-19 vaccination proof is no longer required as of January 20th, 2025. Civil surgeons can mark not applicable on that section of the form. 3. Travel and vetting changes. Traveling as a green card holder? Heads up, new rules mean enhanced vetting at entry points. Starting January 20th, 2025, you might face extra scrutiny when re-entering the U.S., especially if you're from certain countries flagged for additional checks. To avoid issues, keep your documents up to date, file U.S. taxes, and maintain a U.S. address to show strong ties to the country. Also, avoid long trips abroad. Spending too much time outside the U.S. could raise questions about abandoning your residency. If you're planning international travel, talk to an immigration lawyer first to stay on the safe side. 4. Deportation risks and social media monitoring. The 2025 rules have expanded grounds for deportation, even for green card holders. Minor offenses, like certain legal troubles, could now trigger removal proceedings. ICE has also been given broader authority to act, even in places like schools or hospitals. Plus, USCIS is monitoring social media for content they deem problematic, which could lead to visa or green card issues. This doesn't mean you should panic, but it does mean staying cautious. Avoid any legal issues, even minor ones, and be mindful what you post online. 5. Practical steps for green card holders. So, what can you do to stay ahead of these changes? Here's a quick checklist. Check your USCIS account to confirm your registration status. Use the latest Form I-90 for renewals and keep your green card valid. Prepare for extra travel scrutiny and maintain strong U.S. ties. Avoid legal trouble and be cautious with social media posts. These steps can help you navigate the new rules with confidence. And if you're eligible for citizenship, consider applying now to secure your status. The process can take time, but it's a great way to protect your future in the U.S. 6. Closing call to action. That's the rundown on the USCIS changes for June 2025. We know it's a lot to take in, but staying informed and prepared is the key to protecting your green card status. These June 2025 USCIS changes signal a tightening and streamlining of green card procedures. Green card holders should stay informed and proactive to ensure full compliance and avoid disruptions in their residency or future naturalization plans. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then,